How to check password on Roblox. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, click on the More option given at the bottom right corner. Navigate to the option of Settings. Click on the option Account Info. Now, in this page, you're going to find details about your account. You'll also find this option of Password. Click on it. You'll get the option to update it, but you are not able to view it. So, instead, what you can do is add a passkey. Click on Continue. Now over here, you will need to type in 6-digit code that has been sent to your email address that is linked with your account. After you type in that, you will be able to set a passkey. That passkey can be used as a password when you log into Roblox. Or another thing you can do is close this. Open your settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option of passwords. Now click on the option of open passwords. Now use the passcode or face ID, and once you're on this page, click on the option of all. With that, you're gonna find the website along with the passwords in this page. If you have saved the password of Roblox, you're gonna find that as well. So this way you can easily check password on Roblox. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.